Hey everyone, welcome back. This is a review the light socket security camera. Today, we're illuminating the world of security with an exciting gadget, light bulb security cameras. Movie camera light bulb. These cameras are taking home and office security to the next level. They're designed to fit right into your existing light socket. How cool is that? Look at this. It's a 360 degrees panoramic camera with high-definition video footage, motion detection, and even night vision capability. Installation is a breeze. Just screw it into a light socket, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. The night vision is pretty impressive, and the wide field of view ensures you don't miss a thing. Perfect for monitoring high-traffic areas and entry points. And hey, for you smart home enthusiasts, these cameras can integrate with Google Home, Alexa, and more. Just a heads up, make sure to follow local surveillance laws. Safety first, but let's also be responsible, right? So, light bulb security cameras? A bright idea indeed. For those looking for discreet monitoring and seamless blending into your environment, this could be the perfect solution. If you're interested in checking out some of the top models like the Singlid Snap or the J-Bonist 360 degrees panoramic camera, I've left links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. Until next time, keep your home bright and secure. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.